Hey there, I'm Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5, the makers of Friend Connector. And look, I just wanted to give you a quick message to let you know that what you're seeing on this page is not a marketing gimmick. I repeat, it is not a marketing gimmick. I know there's a lot of marketers out there. I'm not one of them. I'm a software engineer. But what this is that you're seeing on this page is me giving you a 75% discount to take action now and start your 7-day free trial right now. That's what this is. Again, it is not a marketing gimmick. It is me giving you an opportunity to save 75% off the normal price of Friend Connector, which is $127 a month, if you take action right now before this timer runs out. That has about probably 28 minutes left on it. Before this timer runs out, if you decide to start your free trial before this timer runs out, I'm going to give you Friend Connector for just $31 a month after your 7-day free trial, instead of our normal price that we have plenty of other customers paying us right now of $127 a month. So I know some people get confused. I've had people email me and say, John, I would have signed up, but I thought that was just a marketing gimmick. I thought I could come back later and it would be the same price. I thought you were just doing what other marketing people do. And it's not that, okay? So I just want to be clear, it's not that. It's literally your chance right now to go ahead and take action, start your 7-day free trial of Friend Connector, and save 75%. 75%! Yes, save 75% and only pay $31 a month for Friend Connector if you start your 7-day free trial right now. And rest assured, if you don't love Friend Connector, which I know you will because it's actually helped me, Friend Connector has actually helped me win not just this 2 Comma Club award for doing $1 million in a single funnel, but also that one by using Friend Connector every day to get targeted leads that will buy my products and services. I know it will help you grow your business because it's helped me. It's helped 5,000 other businesses and entrepreneurs grow their business. So this is not a marketing gimmick. This is your chance and your opportunity to save 75% by starting your 7-day free trial right now. If you decide to say no or let the timer run out, or you exit this page, then the next time you come back, you'll only be presented with our normal price, which is still, Friend Connector is more than worth $127 a month, but why pay more? Why not just go ahead and start your 7-day free trial right now? And once you see the power of Friend Connector and once you love it, you're gonna be saving 75%. But again, I just wanted to let you know, and I wanted to be clear and transparent so I don't get a nasty email from you saying, well, John, I thought you were just a marketer, even though I tell you that I'm not a marketer. I thought you were just doing what all marketers do. I thought that was just to try to trick me. I want to sign up, but give me the $31 a month offer. I'm a man of my word, and I won't do that, okay? I'm offering it to you right now, which I don't have to do, but I want you to take action. I know that Friend Connector will actually help in your business, so I'm offering you a 75% discount right now. The time is ticking though. You have about 23 minutes left. That's plenty enough for you to put in your information in the form, start your 7-day free trial right now. If you skip it, I won't offer you this deal. I won't offer it to you later. If that makes you angry and upset and you think, well, John, that's just not fair, then you probably don't have a very great mindset and outlook on life, and we probably don't want to serve you as a customer anyways. All right, so this is your chance. This is your opportunity to save 75%. So I would just go ahead and fill out that form, start your 7-day free trial. Start growing your business and getting hot leads every day and selling more of your products and services with Friend Connector.